Check 1, 2. Check, check, check. Checkity, check, check, check. Well, I'm better late than never. Do you guys ever have one of those days where you just lose track of the time and all of a sudden, you know, it's way later than you thought? Well, that's been my day today, but hi everybody, welcome back to Create Words. Welcome back to Create and Hang. I'm Emily from the Digital Arts Experience, and today we're going to write a story in Scratch. Hey B, I'm Pakistani, how are you? So we're gonna go to the upper left corner and click Create, just like we always do when we go to scratch.mit.edu. And, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So, what we're gonna do is, I'm going to, begin... Oh, I'm glad you're doing well. I'm just gonna begin by, first of all, turning my music down a little bit because it's a little distracting to me at the moment. Although this is an awesome 16-bit wave. Got a shout out to Axel Stone doing some remixes of 16-bit classics, and I love synthwave. So, you know, love synthwave. Synthwave is awesome. And it makes for great background music too. So, I'm gonna just get rid of the cat, and we're gonna make a story, but so now we have to figure out, like, what the beginning of our story is gonna be like, first of all, what the middle is gonna be like, and then what the end is gonna be like. So, we have to figure out who the characters are. I kind of want to make a story about, how... I think I want to make a story about a princess. And how she has to overcome something to save herself. You know, all stories are usually like, you know, the prince saves a princess or whatever. And, but this time I think the princess is gonna save herself. I think that's gonna be a good story. So, you know, we gotta get a princess. Let's see what's going on. Fantasy, here we go. Ooh, nice. Alright, so we have a princess. I'm gonna make her a little bit smaller. So, the princess is going to be saving herself from the bear that is actually sort of a human. 'Cause why not? So we have to figure out the different scenes for the story too. So let's say the princess lives in a castle, but she was very bored. Make the story of Nemo? Oh, that's a great idea. Ooh, maybe Nemo could, like, come and save her at the end. That might be fun. Oh, maybe her sidekick could be Nemo. Just download these pictures here. Yeah, you can definitely ask me questions as long as they're appropriate, you know? Okay. So I'm actually gonna flip his costume so he's pointed that way. And, he's so giant. We have to make him... just make him a little bit smaller. What's Scratch? Scratch is awesome. Scratch is a programming language that was developed by MIT, and it's totally online, and it's free. You go to scratch.mit.edu, and you can create your own games and stories and animations. It's really, really fun. So, first we're gonna have the princess be at the castle. So this is where she lives. Let's hide the bear. So, when the flag's on flag click, hide the bear. Right, because the bear doesn't come out till later. Conversely, when the flag is clicked, we want the princess to show. Alright. So, let's click the flag. Oh, and we also want the backdrop to... We want the backdrop to switch to the castle backdrop. So it's just castle 3. I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna quickly delete the other one that is in the backdrops because I don't need that blank one. So I'm just gonna do castle. And there it is. Okay, cool. Everything works. Alright, so the princess is just going to do a really simple little animation. So she's going to start up here. And I can just program that by saying, when the flag's clicked, go here. And she's going to glide here. And then she's going to glide here. So let's try that out. And then she's gonna say stuff. She's gonna be like, I'm bored. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. You are welcome. Glad I could help. Yeah. Well, we're not done with it yet. It's not amazing quite yet. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. Actually, that's kind of, you know, it's pretty relevant. You're my fan? Well, thanks. That's so nice. Okay, then we're gonna broadcast. No, first we're gonna say... I think I'll venture out into the woods. All right. So, I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. Okay. Then she's just gonna glide off the screen. So we're gonna glide. Let's glide 2 seconds. Alright. I always gotta test out my story. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. Okay. Now we're going to actually use a broadcast command because I like to use broadcast commands to kind of break up my code a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to broadcast a message. We're going to say broadcast message 1, only we're going to create a new message and call it chapter 2, woods. Whoops, I spelled wrong. Okay, so now when I receive Chapter 2, woods. I'm going to switch my backdrop to the woods. And I actually have to go get a new backdrop before I do any of the programming for it. Ooh, I like this new forest backdrop they have. So we're gonna switch to forest. She's got to start over here. So she's gonna go to this position. Pakistani, the prince, this one doesn't have a prince. The princess saves herself. Oh, but we have to add Nemo. I totally forgot. You also like, well, that's good. We totally forgot to add Nemo. Alright, we gotta add Nemo. Nemo's gonna be her sidekick. So, downloads. Need to get over... I don't know. I can't... I have the wrong view open. I'm looking for my sprite. Let's just search for it. I didn't name it right. Oh yeah, I did. I just can't find it. That is so strange. I can't find it. Let's see if I can just drag and drop. Can I add him? Or will I lose my game? Nope, I'm not gonna try it. I'm scared. Save image as. Oh, we got saved in pictures, that's why. See, this is why you always have to remember where you put your files, because it's very important. There he is. He's so we're gonna make him small. Look at him. Look at he's nice and small. Okay. Alright, so first Nemo is going to be hidden. No, first he's going to show in the first scene too. He'll show, he'll go to his starting position. So he goes there. And then you gotta wait a little, like just a fraction of a second. Like maybe he'll wait 0.5 seconds. And then he'll also glide with the princess. Glide here and then glide here. Alright, so let's look. I'm so bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. And now she has to say, "Come on, Nemo." Come on, Nemo. So I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture into the woods. Come on, Nemo. Okay, so now Nemo has to wait. He's gotta wait probably 3, 4, 7, so 9 seconds, maybe 10 seconds, something like that. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. Come on, Nemo. Oh, then he has to actually follow her. So, so where was I? Oh, we had Nemo following her. So he's going to glide. Let's have him do the broadcast message instead. No, we'll leave it to her. So when Nemo receives the message, Chapter 2 Woods, he'll go back to his starting position for that scene. The princess is also going to go to back to her starting position. So I think she needs to go to that position on the XY axis, first and foremost. And then she's going to glide to here. And Nemo's gonna glide there. And then she's gonna talk again. So he's gonna glide. She's gonna glide. And then she's gonna say something. Maybe she'll just talk about how much she loves nature. I love nature so much. That's when the bear's gonna come in. So the bear's gonna wait 3 seconds after he receives the message. And then he's going to show and he's going to say roar. Okay. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. Come on, Nemo. Oh, he didn't wait. He only waited 1 second. But also, they're in the wrong place. They were supposed to glide to here. And I put glide to random position by accident. And I did it, whoops, I did it the same one. Just make, at least I'm being consistent with my mistakes. Which is, you know. Well. Can't win them all. Roar! And then the princess is going to say... First she's going to wait. 2 seconds. And she's going to say, oh my... a bear. And then the bear is gonna wait 2 seconds. And then he's gonna say roar again. And then she's gonna say, I should be afraid, but my intuition is telling me there's nothing to fear. And then the bear's gonna say roar again. And then she's gonna say, Nemo, trust me. And he's gonna say roar again. And she's gonna say, look, he has a thorn in his foot. Nemo, can you help him get it out? And then the bear's gonna say roar for 3 seconds. Okay. And then Nemo's gonna wait. How many seconds was that? Now we have to actually use some math to add all this up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 19, 21. 21 seconds. So we'll wait 22 seconds. And then he'll glide over here. And he'll get the thorn out. It's okay, Mr. Bear. I can help. 1, 2. Then the bear is gonna wait 5, 6 seconds. I hope my math is right here. 6 seconds. He's gonna say roar again. Then he's going to say, oh, wow, you got it out. How can I ever thank you? All right, let's test it. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. I love nature so much. Roar! Oh my, a bear! Roar! I should be afraid. My intuition is telling me there's nothing to fear. Roar! Nemo, trust me. Roar! Look, he has a thorn in his foot. Nemo, can you help me get it out? Roar! It's okay, Mr. Bear. I can help. 1, 2. Roar! Oh, wow, you got it out. How can I ever thank you? So then Nemo's gonna go back. So he's gotta wait a few more seconds. And then he'll glide back to the princess. And then we have to figure out how many seconds she needs before she says something. So the bear says roar. So 2, 4, 9, 10. So she gotta wait 10 seconds. I'll say 11. To give everyone a little time for the story to unfold. So she's gonna say, you saved the day, Nemo. Alright, let's see how our story's unfolding. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. Come on, Nemo. I love nature so much. Roar! Oh my, a bear! I should be afraid. My intuition is telling me there's nothing to fear. Nemo, trust me. Look, he has a thorn in his foot. Nemo, can you help him get it out? It's okay, Mr. Bear. I can help. 1, 2. Roar! Oh, wow, you got it. How can I ever thank you? You saved the day, Nemo. And then I think we're done. It wasn't quite the story that I had intended it to be. But all in all, let's say when the backdrop switches. When the backdrop switches to Castle 1, we're gonna hide the bear. And the princess is gonna say, the end. The end. All right, let's test our game. I'm bored. I wish I didn't have to stay here all day. I think I'll venture out into the woods. Come on, Nemo. I love nature so much. Roar! Oh my, a bear! Roar! I should be afraid. My intuition's telling me there's nothing to fear. Roar! Nemo, trust me. Roar! Look, he has a thorn in his foot. Nemo, can you help him get it out? Roar! Ah! That's okay, Mr. Bear. I can help. 1, 2, roar! Oh, wow, you got it out. How can I ever thank you? You saved the day, Nemo. Oh, and then it has to, switch the backdrop. The end. Alright, so that was our story. We had a couple of characters, we had to overcome some sort of obstacle, and the princess, in conjunction with Nemo, saved the day. So, just to recap, thanks once again for joining us here at the DAE Create and Hang. Sorry I was a little bit late. But if you want to see this and more projects in Scratch, as well as a lot of other cool stuff, animation, 3D modeling, graphic design, definitely hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you've ever made a project like this, or if you have a suggestion for next week's Create and Hang with me. Once again, my name's Emily from the Digital Arts Experience, and you can find all the info on our classes online over at thedae.com. Lots of awesome classes in sort of all manner of digital arts and technology, so coding, 3D modeling, making games, etc. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!